Welcome to Money Watch. In this video, you will learn how to make more than $200 per day on your PayPal account for free. So, if you are new to this channel, then kindly subscribe to this channel because I upload money making videos each and every week. And uh, if you want, you can subscribe this channel. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, in order to make this work, the first step is we will go to Google and type Google News. Google News, and you will see the first link. Just click on it and a page will be loaded. Google News is a place where you will get the latest content about any related topic. For example, this is the page. As you can see here in the left side, there are few categories. So we will pick up health. So here these are the health. So these are articles which you will get each and every hour. It gets updated each and every hour. So these are fresh content. So what you are going to do is, for example, let's pick nutrition section, and so let's pick this article. Okay. So what we will do is we will simply visit this article. As you can see here, it is being loaded. So by the way, this method is completely free and you don't require any money to do this method. It is user friendly, and yeah. So this is the page. As you can see, this is the article. So what we are going to do is we will simply we will simply uh, copy this article. Okay, just select the article. Just select it. We will select this article, and yeah, we will select this, and what we will do is we will copy this article. We will go to a website which is called spinbot.com. spinbot.com. As you can see in the address bar, spinbot.com. Here you will simply paste your article. And the thing is, this is a website where you can get unique written articles completely free of cost, and the article will be very unique and it is plagiarism free. So what you will do is you will click on I am not a robot. Okay, and just wait. So what it will do is it will rewrite this article, and once you click on I'm not a robot, just click on go. Just wait. It is taking a little time to load. So, so what will happen is the rewritten text will be loaded in this box. Okay. So once it gets loaded, simply copy the text and let it load. I will leave this page open while the text is being loaded. So what you will do is once the page oh, okay, captcha is invalid, you will try again. So what you will do is once the page gets loaded, you will simply copy copy the for example, yeah, this is you will simply copy this one, and and just save it in your Word document like Microsoft Word. Okay, and what we will do is we will visit this website, this one. Let me show you. Eatingwell.com. Okay, just go to this website and you will find a place. This is I mean uh, health related website. Just visit this website, and what you will do is simply go to the submission area, uh, and what you will do is you will simply go there and check the guidelines of the submission, and they will pay you $1 per word. Okay, and just copy the email address of the editor from here and write an email to the editor, and uh, place the head subject line as submission. Okay, and send them your uh, written article, converted article to them, and once they approve you will get money in your PayPal account. They will ask you about the PayPal address once they accept your article, and you will be paid. They pay you $1 per word, so it's pretty huge. Okay, so this is how it works. And the next website where you can go is, it is called sierraclub.org. SIERRACLUB.org. So just go go to the submission area in this website, and as you can see here, you will just copy this email address and go to your email account and simply uh, email them related to your articles. And by the way, this website only accepts mm, technology technology related technology and science related articles. So you can check this technology and science related articles in this section in the Google News. So once you get accepted in this website, they will pay you between $250 to $1,000. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. So you don't need to write any articles or anything like that. Just go to this pinbot.com, and you can easily convert your you can easily do this by uh, simply convert text. Okay, and it will be unique. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And if you want to make more money, like $500 to $1,000 per day, then click the link in the description below, where you will know how to make money, and that too very fast. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.